Hello, my name is Jill and I'm going to be running a demo for how to run a basic web application on Ruby on Rails. So I've pulled up here a pre-existing GitHub code source which I'm going to clone and put onto my computer. So I'm going to do that by copy and pasting the secure shell link, which I have available to me because this secure shell link is, as you can obviously see, it uses a password protected secure shell key, which I've previously set up in my GitHub account through my shell. So from here, I'm going to go over to my terminal and I'm going to go to the directory that I would like to download this in. So we're going to go desktop FOSC, which stands for Fundamentals of Software Engineering. So now we're here. And then from here we're gonna clone this file. So git clone that link, downloaded, awesome. And from here, we're going to install the Ruby dependencies. So to do that, we're going to type bundle install. I lied. We're going to go to this. We're going to go into the file we just downloaded. So we're going to go into the practice app. And then as you can see, we are on the main branch, so now we're going to switch the branch. So to do that, we're going to type git switch, and the branch we want to be on is dogs for sale. So dogs for sale. So awesome, now we can see that we are on the dogs for sale branch. So from here, we install the Ruby dependency, which we can do by typing bundle install. Oh, cool, not what I wanted to do. Alright, bundle install. Awesome, and we're also going to install the JavaScript dependencies, which we can do by typing yarn install. Yay, it's installing. Okay, great. Now that that is installed, we can initialize the database and populate it with seed data, and we're going to do that using Rails. So we're going to go Rails db migrate reset, and then db seed. So awesome, that worked. It did its thing. And to actually pull this onto our local host, we will type Rails server. So awesome, and you can confirm that it's pulled up using, I guess we don't have to use Chrome right now, we can just use Firefox. So we're gonna go local 3000. Just kidding, we're gonna use Chrome. And there we go. We have our dog listings. So this is what we wanted to run, and we can add a new dog. We're gonna add Yawn Doodle, who is a mutt who weighs 400 pounds, and Yawn Doodle is gonna be $4,000. And the seller's email, it's gonna be bigdog@bigdog.com. Okay, so we're going to create the dog listing, and we got this automatic notification saying that it was successfully created. So let's go back and see that. And here we can see that Yondoodle the Mutt is in our new dog listings. So yay, that's how you have a very basic application. That's how you run a very basic application on Ruby on Rails. Yay.